If you wish to set dark mode on WhatsApp on iPhone, do the following. You need to have the latest version of WhatsApp. So first, please do an update from App Store. From what you see now, my WhatsApp is on normal mode. Please note that on your iPhone, you cannot set up only WhatsApp to dark mode. You need to switch the whole phone mode. Let's set up it as dark mode. Tap on the home button from the phone. Now, search for settings. Tap on it. On settings, find display and brightness. Tap on it. Here, select dark mode. You have changed WhatsApp to dark mode. Let's check it out. If this was useful, please thumbs up, share and subscribe, as this will help me a lot. Thank you. Bye bye.